Welcome to our Heritage Works. Today is a chair restoration, or maybe not. We would like your input on what to do with this chair. Should we restore it or leave it as it is? This was purchased at a yard sale, and so we don't know very much about it. What we do know is it's very old, it's handcrafted, it has mortise and tenon joints, and it's either oak or chestnut. Other than that, we're not quite sure. After cleaning the chair with very mild soap and water, we discovered that it had some rub marks on the top of each side of the chair, and both of the back legs were unevenly worn compared to the front legs. This chair was definitely well used. Not only were there marks on the top and on the feet, but there were also marks where the hands would go, and each side was slightly different grip. So we figured out this is how they would hold it, and I've shown my hands here approximately how it would look when sitting in the chair tilted back. The craftsmanship of this chair is very, very clear. Even on these side supports, not only were they bent, but they were also scored so that the wood would bend easier to conform to the shape of the chair. I suspect this was done while the wood was still green. On the top of the chair and on the feet, you can still see some marks from the lathe where it had been turned. Now, what's really remarkable about this is after these were turned, they had to be bent. Obviously, this is a craftsman's work. Each piece is handmade. It even goes so far as to the seat has been sat in so much that it has conformed to someone sitting in it often. When compared to a modern chair, it has the same seat height and the same seat angle, which really surprised us because it looks so much smaller. So what do? We love this chair. We think it would look awesome refinished. It has no sentimental value to us, so we're not trying to hold on to some family heirloom of ours. But when looking at the quality of the chair and the hand craftsmanship of it, is it better to leave it the way it is? Or should we strip it back and bring it back into a new life and make it brand new again? Do you have any expertise in this type of restoration? If so, leave a comment down below. Should we attempt it or should we leave it alone? Let us know. Does anyone know anything about this type of chair? What kind it is, who might have made it, where it might have been? All I know is we bought it at a very good price at a yard sale, and now I'm just trying to figure out what do we do with it. I'd like to refinish it, bring it back to life, but I'm just not quite sure.